When you lay down consistent dimes, feels good. Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm going to be TIG welding. Going to be TIG welding my roll cage again because the guy who TIG welded, or the guy who MIG welded it, probably I think years ago, didn't do a very good job. Here, I'll show you. So these brackets, they're barely cut into the metal. These are just laying on top.
That bitch is blind as a bat.
These actually have to get properly seated down, so like a lap joint. It's kind of like a lap joint weld, so I'm gonna have to do a few of those. There's some I can leave, but honestly I'm not feeling too good about these tabs. But yeah, for now we're gonna just be welding this, and I'm just gonna do a hyperlapse of me welding it and just turning it and getting all the spots, grinding it out, and getting it looking proper. I just want to say, if you are a new welder, don't get convinced into buying those tungsten grinders, because this right here was $18 diamond drill, or a diamond wheel, and it gets those tungstens nice and sharp. I'm going to be going back and forth, so I'm not getting too much heat in one spot. So I'm just going to disperse it. So I'm going to go down here, then down there, then I'm going to come up and then do this again, and then these, and then just work in a circle, so it's just not too much heat. Look how bad this one is. Oh my god, that's metal. I guess the base isn't too bad. I mean, there wasn't much penetration, but oh, yeah, no, not much. Oh yeah, before I start this, look what I made.
No, there's art. This is art.
This is exactly why I bought this vise. It has a pipe clamp on it, and I can actually hold this. Just like that, it swivels. I just gotta point these welds out again. This guy was using like a gasless fucking MIG torch or something, like a flux core welder. Why is my sensitivity so bad? What do I say?
Mosquito!
If you're a true fan, comment down below and tell me what color I should paint this. I was thinking gold to match the red and white, but I want to see what your opinion is. What should I paint the roll cage? I'm trying to get some good shots for you guys, but it's actually so tough welding and filming alone. So I'm trying to find different spots in the garage to set it up, but I'm running out of spots. That's the layer I want to break through. That just popped and went all over my tungsten. So I got to take out the metal completely on this lap joint here. There's just too much fill there, so I'm just going to take it out. I got this little Milwaukee 12 volt, little tiny 3-inch hacksaw. This thing's amazing. I'm on grind mode. That's how it should look. I really had to lay into these welds. I found a big gap in here. It burned through and there was a giant gap, so I had to fill that up with stuff. Kind of hammered it down. I did one up here, but I think I'm going to do a couple more welds and then I think I'm going to call it a night here. It is getting late.
Think I'll go home now.
So I'm heading up to Summerland. I found a air compressor for about 150 bucks. So a pretty big W today. We just got that compressor and I just bought a MIG welder for 100 bucks. And I just got a whole bunch of aluminum from my neighbor. I'm actually amazed at what people can actually get away with towing these days. Those J-hooks aren't even tight. What the fuck? It's actually really nice out today. I think my fuel economy is getting worse in this freaking Jeep. I gotta fix this thing. We got air. I know probably a lot of you welders are gonna judge me for having this pressure switch.
No, I don't hate you.
But it's just like a pedal. I don't know. I think it's way better than a pedal. Sometimes you don't have places to put the pedal. I just got to work on stepping and counting my steps and like how far I step and where to add my filler, because it's a little choppy, but it is penetrating, so that's all I ask for. And this one looks way better, but I'm going to feel a lot safer with these welds. When you lay down consistent dimes, it feels good. I'm not going to lie, it feels great. We're on day 3. I promise I'll be done this. This is the rear part. I'll be done this today. I just have a few more welds to do. Got the shop dog here. Got the shop girlfriend here. Yeah, we're just cruising along here. I'm just going to make one video the rear, one video the front, and if there's time, I'm just going to do the pipes as well, like all the connecting pipes. All this stuff. If they need to be done. Went and picked up 4 chairs for 40 bucks, so I got a nice welding chair, nice high welding chair now. I got every single area that I'm going to weld right now clean, so I can just run right through it and just finish this one off. So I've done everything, filled those in. These welds, I mean, yeah, this area right here was very dirty underneath. I kept breaking through. This side was a little better. This side, there's a lot of pockets in there. So I welded her down as best as I could, and we're just gonna pray for the best. We got those, both sides, all that connecting. I still actually have to put one right there. That side. All these sides are all good. There's one I still have to do. I'll do that right now. Gonna have to thank everybody for tuning in to part 1 here of rebuilding my roll cage, re-welding I should say. I'm just gonna do this top area for one video, and then I'm gonna do the front and then the bars for the second video. So there's only gonna be 2 parts. Yeah, thanks again for watching. If you made it this far, comment below if you liked the video. If you like the new style, let me know. And catch you guys in the next. See ya.